Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow green water apple. First, let's talk about site selection. Your green water apple tree thrives in full sun, needing at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Good drainage is crucial, so ensure your soil has a pH between 5.5 and 7.0. If you're planting in a container, pick one that's at least 20 gallons to give the roots ample space to grow and flourish. Now let's get your tree in the ground. Dig a hole that's twice as wide as the root ball, but only as deep as the root ball itself. Gently place your green water apple tree, making sure the top of the root ball is perfectly level with the surrounding soil. After planting, give it a really good drink of water. This helps to eliminate air pockets and settle the soil firmly around the roots, giving your new tree a great start. Ongoing care is key for a healthy green water apple tree. For young trees, fertilize every 2 to 3 months using a balanced NPK formula to support vigorous growth. Annual pruning is essential. Remove any dead or weak branches and shape the tree to encourage good air circulation and sunlight penetration. Remember to keep the soil consistently moist, particularly during dry periods, but always avoid overwatering to prevent root issues. Finally, let's talk about protecting your harvest and enjoying the fruits of your labor. Keep an eye out for common pests such as fruit flies and aphids. Early detection is crucial. If you spot any, use organic pest control methods to keep your tree healthy. Your green water apples are ready to harvest when they're fully colored and feel slightly soft to the touch. Enjoy your delicious, homegrown water apples.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.